Shown that leadership can also mean listening. Presence here today is a testament to your dedication, to your personal growth.
Here at Camp General, it is my privilege to introduce an extraordinary woman. Please join me in welcoming the radiant and empowering Miss Tony Miranda.
Here, what message do you send out?
Wala mo ng words, no? Eye-to-eye contact.
Taking that first step, just because you're telling your friends, I don't have enough resources yet, is something that will really bring you to higher levels. Pero sa loob mo, bakit gusto mo kayo sa your identity, I will also remind you of that. Is it also sustainable?
I tell myself, I'll try again. That we had a singing contest and the prize was Sunday morning rain is falling.
Proud na proud ako yan na ako may baon na.
Right, diba? Love to do, tell each other, thank you for trusting me. Again, I model this time. One more. Sabi mo yan, mga confident ka. You know, like something. Like I mentioned before, you were already told to... I have listed a lot here. Just identify out the uniform. You need to be sent out. So how do we do that? How do we do? Labas masin ba? How old are you?
50s. Bali napatapos ko ang sister ko sa kanyang degree.
Morning, ma'am. Yung negative thought is I'll never be able to.
My college days.
Why? Every solution is always looking forward. Do you agree? They have two papers, pieces of paper, to control their reactions and lagi natin magkayaan sa katabi natin, di ba? Ito yung mas tama. Okay? So why did I mention that? This, ay! Kulot open! So this is the painful. I mean, you have to. So again, it is something that symbolizes. Okay, wow.
Wala pa siya.
Pa!
you again, best that you can.
Nyo.
Remember.
Alam nyo, pinaghirapan yung sulat kasi kakampo lang pala, no? Kinausap niyo ba? Ready, ready! Who do I call for? Experience. The thing is, you know,
Wow, you can really done. He went. He's a set we've both been dancing. What a coincidence. Wow, you can really done. This set we've both
all together! Empowering leaders achieve sustainable success and leave an inspiring legacy.
So good afternoon, ma'am. I want you to remember
Participation na doon na. Kasi may...
Yes, thank you. Yeah! Wow, talaga we're not talking about the actual height, but how they see you mukha ka dapat.
Kung among you yung sa tingin nyo na tumama na lang yun. As in, I actually wore these sleeves because I am actually emphasizing that I have to have long arms or short arms. Try natin, you know, this.
Bringing you, you send out this message. Hey, turn around! Nakaway sa kanya. Check the nails. Check if they're wearing. Multitasking, ha? Okay, and one last. Naramdaman mo, kasi, o diba? Yes. Ayan, congratulations. So, that maybe as a person, pero tayo hindi kayang gawin. Tama? Labels now. And these are your labels to masama malaman niyo. Shine before others that they may see your good deeds and because of that, they will glorify your Father in heaven. Amen? Okay, good.